cosine rule. The cosine rule looks like this. It's on a reference sheet. What formula does it remind you of? Pythagoras. So this first part looks like Pythagoras. So if it's Pythagoras, means that it is a right angle. So if I have right angle here, a squared plus b squared equal to c squared. But of course, if it's not a right angle, like c here, you add an extra that. That's the easiest way to apply the cosine rule. Just remember the Pythagoras theorem, except you add an extra 2ab cos c. Okay? Okay, let's use the cosine rule. We're going to find the side length mark b. So we start off b squared equal to 10 squared plus 12 squared. Just like Pythagoras. But then we subtract by 2 times 10 times 12, cos of 70. Get the idea? So it's very easy to use. Alright, so now you have to use your calculator. Hopefully you all have your calculator today. If not, you can borrow one here. But you should bring your own each lesson. Alright, thank you. Alright, let's use a calculator. So we're going to press 10 squared plus 12 squared minus 2 times 10 times 12 times cos 70. Okay, but be careful, this is not your final answer. 161.915. 161.195 dot dot dot. What else you have to do after that? You have to square root, because that's a b squared. So make sure you square root your answer, which you do square root answer equal 12.72. 12.72 is I'll correct to 1 decimal place. Get rid of the 2. Approximately 12.7 meters. Any question? Try the next one. Alright, try the next one. Have a try. It's very easy. It's just like Pythagoras, except you have one extra bit. Very convenient. Alright, have a try. Yeah, that's right. I try to remember, I wrote the wrong thing. Sorry. 195. Let me look again. 915, right? 915. Good, thank you. 915. Yep. Okay, have a try the next one. It's very good, useful. It's very easy. Okay, like Pythagoras. Start with the polynomial. Now, there's no polynomial. We can call it x. I could call it just pq squared. Like that. And you don't have to use an extra polynomial. And you just do it. Finish, Anthony? Indeed. That's very confident. How about you share your answer with us? What's your working out? That's not magician. That's normal stuff. Everyone knows it. Okay. Okay, 68 squared plus 92 squared minus 2 times 68. It's funny that when you said that, because a few days ago I did watch a movie about magician, and that's exactly what they say. All right, okay. All right, let's continue. Wrong angle. 122, right? 122. Sorry, my writing's not very clear. All right, let's try that. 68 squared plus 92 squared minus 2 times 68 times 92 times cos 122 equal, gives you this answer, 19718. 19718 dot dot dot. That doesn't look good. What was the decimal point? 349 dot dot dot. And then PQ is the square root of that, which you can round to nearest millimeters. Answers, nearest millimeter will be 140. Oh, sorry. Okay. Any question? All got it right? Okay. We know how to find a side. The next bit is to find angles. Okay, we're going to find some angles. Now, before we continue, just remember, when do we use cosine rule? Is when we have two sides and an angle in between. Just remember SAS. That's an easy way to remember. SAS, that allows you to use the cosine rule. Now, another way to use the cosine rule is where all sides are given. That's using to find the angle. SSS, use the cosine rule. So remember, SSS use the cosine rule to find an angle. SAS use the cosine rule to find the sides. Any other thing, use the sine rule. Okay? All right, let's look at this. Now, the formula is a bit hard to remember. Actually, that's not on the reference sheet. They only give you the length version, not the angle version. So you need to memorize this. And it's very easy to memorize. Let me show you how it works. All right, find the sides of angle B. So what you do is you start with cos B. That's your first step. They want you to find B. And then you're going to write a fraction. Now the formula says a squared plus b squared. Which one, a and b? The one next to the angle is the one you plus, right? So you go 7 and 9, you plus. And the one opposite to the angle is the one you subtract. Easy enough? And then the denominator, the 7 and 9 repeats again. 2, 7, 9. That's it. So it's very easy to remember. Okay? So you add the one next to the angle, subtract the one opposite to the angle. Right? Just remember opposites subtract. And then we're going to use the calculator to fraction 7 squared plus 9 squared minus 5 squared over 2 times 7 times 9 equal 5 over 6. Again, that's not your answer. That's just the ratio. And then to find the angle, you press shift cos inverse, answer. Correct to the nearest degree, which is 33, about 34 degrees. 34 degrees, B. Yeah. Actually, I forgot to write, just write cos inverse of 5 over 6. Okay? Alright, question. Hopefully still recording, good. Okay, let's continue. Alright, let's do the next one. Next one, find the size of the largest angle. Which angle would be the largest and why? And how do you know? Yeah, it's opposite to the longer side with the biggest angle, largest angle. Okay, so we'll find R. Like before, we start with cos of the angle, write a fraction. And remember which one you have to add, which one you have to subtract. The one next to it, you have to add 3.4 squared plus 4.9 squared. The one opposite to it is where you have to subtract. And then you just do 2 times 3.4 times 4.9. And then use your calculator. Okay, like that. Okay, press the button. 3.4 squared plus 4.9 squared minus 6.1 squared. Oops. Equal, I forgot, divided by, in bracket, 2 times 3.4 times 4.9. Negative 41833. Now, if it's a negative, what do you expect R going to be? If it's negative. Well, when is cos negative? What quadrant? Second. Can it be fourth? Can R be fourth? No, because the highest it could be is 180, right? So it's obtuse. So second means it's obtuse. So when you see that, you know R is obtuse. Okay, let's see whether you get an obtuse angle. So let's do that. Press shift, cos, answer. Give you an obtuse angle, 92.82 degrees. If you want it to be nearest minute, press that. 92.49. 49 minutes. Okay, any questions? So it's pretty easy. Okay, there's a summary of when to use the cosine rule. When there are 2 sides, one included angle, SAS, use the cosine rule to find the side. When there are 3 sides, SSS, use the cosine rule to find the angle. All other cases uses the sine rule. Okay, that's how we know when to use cosine rule, when to use the sine rule. And today's exercise is for, is it 6.11? Right, 6.11 today. Thank you. Enjoy your tea.